Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your credit card to the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and link your credit card to the Uber app. Maybe you're new to Uber, or maybe you got a new credit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Add Payment Method. Now on the top-hand side, click on Credit or Debit Card. And then this is where you're going to enter your card number, expiration date, zip code, CVV, and nickname. Afterwards, click on Save, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your credit card to the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.